We all know that we live on a planet called Earth. Earth is the third planet in the solar system and the only one suitable for life. But let's look at some interesting facts about our planet. The Earth can be considered as a living organism. It has its own breath, regulates its temperature, consumes energy and constantly changes its surface. Researchers in the field of astrobiology have discovered that the current stable state of the Earth's climate is an anomaly, and in the next few billion years, everything should change. Below the surface of the oceans are the highest mountain ranges that span the surface of the Earth. More than 80% of the Earth's surface is of volcanic origin. A common belief among American Indians is that a giant tortoise rests on the surface of the Earth, and it trembles every time the tortoise takes a step. According to one popular hypothesis, the Earth in the past shared its orbit with another planet, which scientists called Theia. Many billions of years ago, these two planets collided, causing the biggest catastrophe in the history of the Earth. As a result of the collision, the Earth acquired additional mass and received its own satellite, the Moon. Another theory claims that about 200 million years ago, during the Paleozoic and Mesozoic era, all the continents made up a single supercontinent Pangaea. As time passed, the continents separated and India broke away from Africa to join Asia. Earth's lithospheric plates move at a rate of a few inches per year, which is about the same as the rate at which a human fingernail grows in a year. Based on this, it can be assumed that in 250 million years a new supercontinent will appear on Earth. The beginning of the Industrial Revolution marked the beginning of an era when humanity had a noticeable impact on the state of the environment. Since then, mankind has been producing such an amount of carbon dioxide that seriously disturbs the balance of gases in the atmosphere and its chemical composition. The amount of carbon dioxide in water and the atmosphere, as well as the receipt of solar energy by the Earth, are factors that determine the duration of life on the planet. The greenhouse effect poses a threat to existing life on Earth, but without it, the average temperature on the planet would be -18 degrees Celsius instead of +15 degrees Celsius, which we have now. The Amazon jungle is home to 1/3 of the animal and plant species on Earth, supporting the theory that the planet can sustain life on its surface in a limited area. The universe was formed about 13 billion years ago after the Big Bang, and 2/3 of its history has passed before the formation of the solar system. During this time, many stars were born and died, and the elements hydrogen, helium and lithium began to be replaced by more complex atoms. The Earth, rushing through outer space at a speed of 107,000 kilometers per hour, owes its existence to a huge number of processes occurring and future during its life. Its core and magma help hold the oceans and atmosphere together, and it also formed the tectonic plates that separate the oceans from the land, which is lighter than the seafloor. The Moon plays a very important role in the existence of life on Earth, stabilizing its tilt relative to the Sun. Without the Moon, the Earth would experience chaotic shifts, climate, and it could not become habitable. The energy of the Earth's core and magma help it hold the oceans and atmosphere. Thanks to this energy, tectonic plates were also formed, which pushed the land out from under the oceans. Tectonic plates are large lithospheric blocks into which the Earth's surface is divided. They consist of the Earth's crust and the upper part of the mantle and are constantly moving relative to each other. This phenomenon is known as plate tectonics. Tectonic plates play an important role in shaping and changing the geological structure of the Earth. Their movement is the result of convective currents in the mantle caused by thermal processes inside the planet. The movement of tectonic plates can occur in several different modes. For example, plates may converge, separate, or slide over each other. When the plates converge, zones of uplifts and mountain ranges arise, as well as volcanoes and earthquakes. In separation zones, The plates diverge, which leads to the formation of ocean troughs and ridges, as well as to the eruption of underwater volcanoes. In shear zones, plates slide along each other, which can cause earthquakes. Tectonic plates play an important role in the geological processes on Earth. They form mountain ranges, continental slopes and oceanic trenches. They also influence the distribution of earthquakes, volcanic activity and the formation of ore deposits. Plate movement can also affect climate conditions and the distribution of species on the planet. The study of tectonic plates allows us to deepen our understanding of the geological processes and history of the Earth. Geologists and geophysicists use a variety of methods and techniques, including global positioning systems, GPS, seismic activity, and gravimetry, to study plate movement and interaction. Thus, tectonic plates are important components of the Earth's geological dynamics. Their movement shapes and changes our planet, influencing geological processes, seismic activity, climatic conditions and species distribution. The study of tectonic plates helps us better understand the history and nature of our unique planet. Here are some interesting facts about our amazing planet Earth. Our planet Earth, a magnificent marvel, harbors countless wonders. From towering mountains to expansive oceans, its diverse landscapes astound us. Lush rainforests and vast deserts coexist, while vibrant wildlife thrives. Earth's delicate balance sustains life, a precious gift. Let us cherish and protect our remarkable home for generations to come. If you're looking for valuable content and want to stay updated with the latest videos, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on any of our exciting videos, packed with tips, insights, and inspiration. Join our community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about our universe, and let's embark on this journey together. Remember to click that notification bell so you're always notified when we upload new content. Thank you for your support. Thanks for watching.